Good morning, William Williams, Philippines. It's 5 o'clock in the AM on Saturday, July 26th, 2025. Uh, I'm about to stop having to deal with this powder stuff. I cannot carry on the delusion that this is coffee. It ain't. I'm gonna have to get me a coffee pot and some beans. See if I can find a grinder. Anyway, yay. Pretend coffee. But they provide nice cups. Boy. Here. This is an extra large, or no, 2X large shirt. I've been doing large and extra large, shrinking down. And this here in the Philippines is a 2X, and it's tighter than a large. Hey. Encouragement. I like the way it's cut though. Anyway, having to get used to the idea of differences in sizing and yeah. System shock, culture shock, yeah. I'm having fun with it though. But yes, getting used to the idea of this being a double X. Yeah, it's going to take a bit. Anyway, I did manage to find a few things. Stevia, my oolong tea, so I can make a non-caffeinated something for when it's time to go to bed. Because I sure don't need caffeine at that hour of the day. I need something to let me unwind. But I did manage to find a few things. I got over to Pacific Mall. And then over to Gaisano Mall over on Mactan Island yesterday. And yeah, showers, 3. I don't really think there's such a thing as, Kuya was commenting 2 a day. I'm averaging over 2 a day. Some days 3, so God, the humidity here is horrible. I can deal with the heat. Hey, I'm from Texas, Panhandle. It gets hot. We're used to that. But humid, drive me off a cliff with that one. But yeah, didn't get any of, well, I did get some things done yesterday that needed, but not much. Never made it to a beach. Although I did swing by the, what do you call it? Sporting goods store, second one. And yeah, there are more, I don't know, running stores. One had some weight equipment and gym stuff, but Not like I'm used to for a sporting goods stores where it goes from everything from shoes to boots to uh, climbing gear to fishing gear to hunting gear to running stuff to, yeah, camping stuff. I haven't found something that all inclusive yet. I'm not sure I will, but I'm going to keep trying. Because somewhere along the way, I do want to find a rod and a reel to go fishing with. I guess maybe I should just straight up Google that for these malls and see what shows up. But yeah, there's supposed to be a second Gusano mall over in Mactan. I got to one of them. I think that's 5 of the malls now. But I think this, for local, for most of what I'm going to need, the Park Mall and the Pacific Mall are where I'll spend more time doing things there because, well, they're close. 1.8 kilometers, 1.9 kilometers, or something like that. If nothing else, I'm wearing a pair of shorts that are 34s. Now, I'm not sure they're using the same, but yeah, it's a little tight, but yeah, all this walking around has apparently done some good for my waistline. That and the fact that I'm feeling a little bit more energetic, so yay. It's probably a good thing I started doing some extra walking and such. But apparently, getting up over getting up to 2.5 miles a day wasn't enough. Yeah, when you have a day where you clear 10, almost 11 miles, 2.5 seems like, oh, you got out of bed. Let's see. So no, I haven't got to go fishing yet. Somebody asked. Another one is getting over here September. I'm still going to be in the Cebu area in September, as far as I know. Yeah. Monday, I'm going to go see if about start talking to the doctors. I'd like to at least hit 3 of them to, get differences of prices and such, and see who's seems more competent at it. Got a bunch of questions. I mean, hey, my eyesight might not be as good as I would like it to be, but I sure would hate to lose it. Especially over here, this one, it's bad. So I really need this one to stay good. So work on this one first. See if you can make this one better. Yeah. We shall see. At least that's the intention and hopes. Yeah. Plans. I did make a bunch of them to get here. Then I got here and but hey, I actually ate food here from cooking in my kitchen, and my kitchen has become much more full and useful. Although I'm seriously thinking I'm going to get rid of uh, the kettle for hot water. But don't get me wrong, it gets you some hot water real quick. So, I don't know. We'll see. The dispensers already came in handy, and I've gone through almost half of a 5-gallon jug. And they charge like 50 pesos for that. So, let's see, 5 gallons for 10 pesos each. I think that's somewhere around about 18 cents a gallon. Yeah, for bottled water, filtered bottled water. Yeah, it's actually not a bad price. Because, yeah, it's coming up just short of, well, it's 56 or 57 for the peso. Yesterday evening. I haven't looked at it yet this morning. So, say 56. So, 50 pesos is what, leaving me 90 cents on the 5-gallon jug. Boy, that's a pretty good price if you ask me. But yeah, went over, got the dispenser to put the 5-gallon jug in. It gurgles now, which is good. Oy. I'm actually, it's 5 in the morning and I'm wanting to get up and go. So yeah, that's a good thing. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here and go try to do a couple things. I'm not sure what, but I'm pretty sure something will call me today. I do, like I said, need to get, I do need to get to the beach. It is Saturday. I should enjoy a day at the beach or something. Need to find exactly where that's at, but hey. Oh. Do not make the mistake of nicking yourself while shaving. It's no fun. Just trying to get the corners out because they were starting to tickle down in places and get into stuff. Yeah. Trimmed it up a bit. Trimmed a little piece of me. Not a smart thing. Should use mirrors when I do this stuff. Yeah. I might have not been having the most bright moment at that particular instant. Just saying. But yeah. I think I am going to try to get over to the beach today. I'm burning a brain cell as to a desk where I can set my computer up and a monitor. Part of me also wants to get a chair for it. Found a desk for like $60. And a chair for, I think, $75. So, but then that's a lot of extra stuff to have to try to tote around if and then when I move. Now, if it's not very far that I'm moving, it might not be that bad, but island to island, I don't know. Yeah. Guess I could sell it out the door. I don't know. It seems like there's always something moving around here. I've seen some strange things on motorcycles. Some guy was actually riding down the on a motorcycle down the road, on a side road, and he had like one of those 16-foot sections of pipe. Actually, he had like 6 of them bundled together and riding on the side. I don't know how he was operating the damn thing. Yeah, I couldn't see the other side of the bike where it was all attached. And then I've also seen goats right there on the side of a main city road. Yeah. And nobody seemed to be running them over. And they didn't seem to be wanting to get out in the road to get run over. I don't know. I guess the smart ones survive, the dumb ones become barbecue or dog food. I don't know. Not my department. Anyway, trying to figure it all out's just the fun of it. I'm having fun. And yes, definitely culture shock. But the humidity, like I say, Texas Panhandle, High Plains Desert, we get the heat. It's this humidity. When you're out and about in Texas, you can go out there and you can sweat a gallon out, heartbeat. You won't be wet when you get to the house because it'll all dried off. Now you might have to scrape the salt off to, that your socks might stand in the corner because they got that much salt in them. Because it dried in there. Yeah. Here, I might as well go to the shower and start wringing them out to get the sweat out of them because, hey, that'll just run through the shower a couple times. Just call it wash and wear. I don't know. Haven't figured it out yet. But it's getting to be a whole lot of fun trying to figure things out. Anyway, yeah. I'm making plans. I'm just trying to live more in the moment. And plan's something you do for the future. So I'm trying to enjoy more now. It's really hard in some ways to slow down. I've noticed that I have a tendency to be running all the time. I have a very fast walk, and I'm always passing people. I think I need to slow down and, smell the roses. Although I don't know if there's too many roses around here. I haven't seen any yet, so I don't know. Anyway, do your thing, like, comment, subscribe. William Williams Philippines. I hope you're having a blessed day. More food, more friends, more family. Yeah, you know the thing. Do it. Enjoy. Live life. It's a present. Enjoy it. Seriously. Anyway, I'm fishing. Hey, fish out.